Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Anil Joshi. Welcomes you to this short presentation. Now let's come to the second view, that is base of the skull. Now this we can take it with the prone or in standing. Easy is to take in standing position rather than into the prone position. Now the inferior orbital meatus line should be perpendicular to the horizontal plane. That is, horizontal plane is having CR, that is the central ray. Then angulation should be 0 or to be adjusted as per patient's orbitomeatal line. Now this depends on the extension of the neck. Often patient cannot extend neck. It cannot be made an angle of 90 degrees. In that condition again, you will have to take care that the angle can be compensated by the tube angle. That is possible. Distance is 100 centimeter, then cassette is 10 by 12 or whatever is CR plate or digital plate, whatever is available. Here we are seeing them, condyles as well as foramina magnum should be circular, then ethmoid, sphenoid sinuses, foramina oval, then mastoid process. Instruction to the patient should be given clearly because it needs hyperextension. And if patient cannot give hyperextension, you will have to go for the tube angulation. So a technically really difficult X-ray. Let's see how it is taken and whatever describe about the patient's position. First patient is sitting, then patient has to hyperextend the neck. Here we have to take care that C1, C2 suspected pathology patient should not be suspected for this radiograph. There will be chances of dislocation, there will be chances of injury. Even in post-traumatic patient, they should be avoided as far as possible. Now the central ray is perpendicular to the orbitomeatal line. In that way, you will have to adjust the tube angulation. Now cassette is adjusted, neck is hyperextended, again it is checked for rotation, so there is no rotation. So let's go for the exposure proper. Yes, it is correct. From the center it is seen, both ears are seen. The best part of this view again is the zygomatic process. It should be seen as symmetrical on either side like a handle of jug. Thank you for watching this video. Now, in case if you need more information, do visit our website. There are more articles, more illustrations and more informations. The addresses are given. They are just one click away from you.